Okay, welcome to Quick Concepts for Math 76. Today we're going to be starting order of operations. Now this is just going to be part one of it. So if you need something a little bit more advanced, you want to check back if you're in Math 76, or obviously if you're in an older class, you can go to that section for the quick concepts for that. So when you are dealing with order of operations, the whole thing is called Pemdas. And what it stands for is parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division are on the same level. So don't feel like you do one before the other. Usually you just go from left to right. Once that's that, then you have division. And then you have addition and subtraction. So I'm going to show you what I mean by this. I'm telling you, I am so neat. Subtraction. So right now we're really not going to look at exponents. That's going to come later on. Right now we're really going to focus on parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let's start with this. Well, first of all of it's subtraction. Nothing you do first. You're just going to go from left to right. So the first thing I'm going to do is say 18 minus 6. So this is going to be 2 and it's going to be a 12. So once these two equal 12, now your new problem is 12 minus 3. And so of course that's going to be 12 minus 3, 11, 10, 9. So your answer there is 9. So it wasn't really that big of order of operations. But watch this. What if I did this? Now it's all subtraction, but guess what? I have a parentheses. So I have to do my parentheses first. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then I'm going to say 18 minus 3. Now look at this. The answer is 15. Do you see the difference now? So order of operations is extremely important. You need to make sure you are following your order of operations. So let's try another one. Let's try this one. Again, it's all division, all on the same row, but we're going to go from left to right. So 18 divided by 6. How many 6's are in 18? 6, 12, 18. That's going to be 3. I'm going to bring this part down. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Only 1 3 in 3. Now, look at the next one. We have to do parentheses first. 6 divided by 3. How many 3's are in 6? Well, it's 2. Then, how many 2's are in 18? You'd say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's 9. So notice the answers are different due to order of operations. So let's try one more. Now this one's weird. There's no parentheses, but there's addition and division. Now in order of operations, division comes before addition. The problem is when you have a problem like this, you have to consider the 5 plus 7 first. You have to add above the bar and below the bar first. So it's almost like you want to picture parentheses. So 5 plus 7, that's 5 more than 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now you can divide. How many 3's are in 12? You'd say 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 4. So be careful with those because a lot of times they're written without parentheses, but you have to do those first. Okay? And that is it on order of operations, part 1.